Hi, nice that you are here. Today I'd like to introduce you to 3 camera drones you can get for less than $200. For a good camera and recording quality, you have to spend more on the drone. Extensive flight functions make the handling easier. We will show you the currently best available camera drones on the market. For this, we've evaluated tests and opinions and added them up to an overall score. Essentially, testers from the trade magazines evaluate unmanned flying cameras according to the following criteria: operability and handling. Simple and as intuitive as possible control of a drone plays an essential role here. Furthermore, handling is important, i.e., how quickly the multicopter is ready to use. Keyword RTF. Image quality? With a camera drone, great importance is attached to the image quality of the camera. Resolution and image stabilization, gimbal, are the tester's most important criteria. Flight time. The weight of the drone and the battery power influence the flight time. Price performance/equipment. The price is reflected in the price performance rating, taking into account the range of features. Useful features such as takeoff and landing assistant, anti-collision detection, or a return home mode, as well as extended accessories, e.g. a remote control, spare batteries, or propellers, often justify a higher price. There are camera drones for beginners, advanced users, and professionals, which can be roughly differentiated by price. Under $1,000, mainly entry-level drones are offered. The particularly inexpensive models usually have a low photo and video quality. More sophisticated drones are available starting at $1,000, which can also meet professional requirements depending on the intended use. From $1,500 upwards, there are high-end copters with an integrated camera or without a camera. The latter can be loaded with system cameras or video cameras and carry correspondingly higher loads. So today, we compare entry-level models under $200. By the way, if you already liked the video, feel free to leave a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss any of our upcoming comparisons. For that, please still quickly click on the little bell and you will be informed. But now, we come to our today's ranking. In third place, we have the Revell Icon. Approximately $85. Stiftung Warentest rated at 4.5. Customers gave 4 out of 5 stars. Simple drone with weaknesses. Strengths: fast charging, replacement battery available, and reasonably priced. Weaknesses: inadequate user manual, weaknesses in radio connection, and unstable in windy conditions. The Revell Icon is a fairly simple camera drone that is controlled via an included controller or smartphone app. Drone pilots can choose between 3 speeds and various functions. The drone is powered by a lithium polymer battery, which is fully charged within an hour to an hour and a half. According to customers, the flight duration is up to 20 minutes, depending on wind conditions and the set speed. A spare battery can be purchased if needed. In Stiftung Warentest's test, this drone performed poorly. Customers are more gracious, but some are annoyed by a rather poor instruction manual. Indoors, the Icon is supposed to work well. Outdoors in windy conditions, it seems to fly quite unreliably. And in second place, we have the Syma X500. Approximately $195. Customer rating is 2.4. Foldable drone for beginners. Strengths: good workmanship, good video quality, spare battery included, and FPV live image transmission to smartphone. And weaknesses? We don't know of any yet. The Syma X500 is recommended for beginners due to its low weight of just over 200 grams. However, it is said to be somewhat unsusceptible to wind. For practice, beginners are therefore best to start flying the drone on windless days. Transport to the launch site is made easier by folding the booms and a carrying bag. It is operated via the included controller, or after connecting to a smartphone using the Syma FPV app, which also displays live images. It is also possible to use it together with VR goggles. The drone comes with 2 batteries, one of which has a runtime of about 26 minutes, according to the manufacturer. 20 minutes of flight time per battery is more realistic, according to the internet reviewers. The camera is said to deliver videos in good quality. However, there is still room for improvement when it comes to photos, they say. By the way, you can find more details in the video description. And in first place, we have the DJI Mavic Mini. Approximately $199. eMedia gave 4.5 out of 5 stars. Video Active rated it as good. Customers' rating is 1.3. Overall rating is 1.7. Lightweight with good features at a competitive price. Strengths: very light and compact. Good image quality and stabilization. Relatively low price. No proof of competence necessary. Weaknesses: no 4K resolution. No follow me mode. No anti-collision sensors. Even before the official market launch in mid-November 2019, it was clear that DJI was landing a minor coup with the Mavic Mini. Because the compact drone weighs just under 249 grams, and thus bypasses the need to pass the A1/A3 certificate of competence. The special feature: otherwise, you don't have to do without almost anything, because the equipment list of the small flyer reads similarly to its larger and heavier colleagues. At the heart of the Mavic Mini is the gimbal-stabilized camera, which lets you record videos in 2.7K resolution, or 2720 by 1530 pixels. The camera shoots photos with 12 megapixels. More professional users might miss the 4K resolution as well as the RAW mode for photos. Both are available in the successor model, the DJI Mini 2. Nevertheless, the video quality of the Mini cuts a good figure in tests. The review site Trusted Reviews praises the crisp colors, and the stabilization does a good job. However, image noise sets in quite quickly in low-light situations. DJI advertises the Mavic Mini as a drone that anyone can fly. The controls are correspondingly simple. 3 automatic flight maneuvers are available, but the drone does not have a follow me mode, i.e., the automatic tracking of a certain object. Sensors to avoid collisions have also been omitted, so you should take extra care when flying in environments with obstacles or inside rooms. You might think a small, lightweight drone would have to be economical with power, but the Mavic Mini presents itself as a true continuous flyer. The manufacturer claims a proud 30 minutes of flight time, a very good value, which is even nearly achieved in practice according to Trusted Reviews. DJI not only saves on weight, but the price of around $350 is also quite low in the view of the equipment. The Fly More combo with 2 additional batteries costs just under $500. In terms of price, it competes with the Yonex Mantis Q, which offers 4K recordings, but poorer gimbal stabilization. It's also less handy and significantly heavier than the Mavic Mini. As you can see, there are really camera drones available for relatively little money. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, which is why I've linked you to each one below in the video description for more details. I hope that I was able to help you a little deciding on your purchase. If so, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. That would really help us and the channel. And maybe you'll tell us in the comments which product you like best, and which one you might have already decided on. Thanks for watching, and see you very soon. Goodbye.